This is a Taisioner clamp mount for cameras. I received this to review for free. It would cost you $21 if you wanted to purchase it. They haven't paid me for my review, so my opinions remain my own. Alright, so in the bag you receive a cell phone adapter. That's one of these clamp your cell phone in it type of adapters. It has, instead of just a spring pull out, it does have kind of the vise where you have a lead screw that screws it into place. So you can stick your phone in, tighten it down, and be sure it's on there pretty tight. It's got a decent amount of depth here to accommodate cases as well. You also have kind of this GoPro action cam style mount here that will hook into a 1/4x20 there, and then this is the actual positioner. So it's a double ball arm positioner, and it has a clamp here, and so basically you can clamp this around any round or even some square objects to hold it onto. Then you loosen this guy up and position it around. It has a spring inside so that even when you loosen it, it kind of keeps even tension on both of them. And then you position your camera where you want it, tighten these things down, and it's going to be locked in place there. Now there's no little retention thing or screw on this, so to put your camera on, you're going to have to rotate the camera itself, and the only way to get it tensioned down tight is to go all the way down, and so there it's tight. Now you can rotate this ball inside of there, so getting the orientation you want shouldn't be difficult. Let's say we're clamping it to a pole here. Just clamp that guy down, and then you can position this camera to point whichever direction you would like. When you have it where you want it, you tighten this guy down, and there you go. So one obvious application would be on the handlebars of a bicycle like this. So material-wise, we have a mixed bag. This guy looks to be a plastic. This guy here is plastic with what look to be stainless steel metal parts. This guy here is a plastic, but these pieces on the clamp and this arm look a little heftier than the plastic used for the knobs and these things here. Maybe it's just because they're thicker, but they have a kind of a matte finish, and I'm not certain, but they might be reinforced with something inside. Now here, these guys look to be stainless steel on the clamp. The bolt through the middle here is sticking to my magnet, and this guy here is sticking to the magnet. So either they're steel or maybe just a lower grade of stainless steel. It's not a super strong connection there, so it could be 304. But these guys here are definitely stainless. In here, we've got brass. And then this little guy here is definitely steel. That sticks to that really well. So I'm going to say these are probably stainless. These are definitely stainless. These are definitely stainless. We got brass and some steel in there. At the price point with the set of accessories you get, I think this is a pretty good offering for a clamp arm, adjustable clamp arm, where you can position a camera, kind of clamp it to something and then position it around where you want to take a video of something.